In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a slider in Wix Studio. Whether you're sprucing up a website for a client or just enhancing your own site, sliders are a fantastic way to display content dynamically and engagingly. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Wix Studio's homepage. Wix Studio is a robust platform designed especially for agencies and enterprises, providing all the tools you need to create professional grade websites. So if you're not there yet, take a moment to head over to their site. Next, you'll need to log into your account. If you look towards the top right of the homepage, you'll see a login button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to sign in. If you prefer a quick and seamless login process, choose the Continue with Google option. This allows you to log in using your Google account, minimizing the hassle of remembering another password. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your Wix Studio dashboard. To begin adding a slider, locate and click on the plus icon. It's like opening a treasure chest filled with design elements that you can incorporate into your website. Clicking this icon will present you with a variety of options you can add to your design. Your next step is to find and click on Input. This will open another menu of interactive elements, and among these options you'll find Sliders. Click on it to reveal the different slider styles available. Now you're at the exciting part. You'll see a variety of sliders to choose from. It's important to pick one that complements your website's design and meets your content needs. Once you've made your choice, simply drag and drop the slider onto the desired area of your page. It's a straightforward process that lets you see exactly how the slider will look once it's part of your site. After placing your slider, you can customize its settings to better suit your website's theme. Adjust settings such as image transitions, timing, and slider dimensions to ensure they deliver the impact you desire. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and some creative choices, you've successfully added a dynamic slider to your Wix Studio project. Use this tool to captivate your audience with vivid imagery or a neat presentation of key content. Remember that each slider should serve a clear purpose, offering an intuitive visual narrative to your website visitors. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Wix Studio.